Hey guys, so for this video I'm going to be making some slime with no glue, borax, shaving cream, and cornstarch. So let's get to the video. So what you're going to need is a bowl. Well, I didn't want to go all the way upstairs to get some mixed with, so I just cut the little end off of a little Q-tip and some shampoo and some body wash. Well, it says shampoo and conditioner down there, but it'll be better if you just use this one. It's like most likely body wash. So let's get started. So first you're gonna want to put some body wash in first, not too much, just like a little bit. Okay. And then you're gonna need some shampoo, just a little bit, just like one squeeze one. And then get your scooping, just mix. Hold on, someone's calling me. My sister called me to get my little brother Jedediah. Say hi, Jedediah. Say hi, Jedediah. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi, guys. He's so adorable. I'm saying it right here. Don't fall off the bed. Hold on. There you go. Okay, so back with the slime making. Hi! Hi, Jedediah! Look how it's turning out, you guys. Look at that. Just gonna mix a little bit more. If you want, you cut a little bit of more shampoo or a little body wash. And I'll be right back. Okay, I am back. Ooh. I said I'd handle something. Jedediah, what are you doing? Oh, oh, hi. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Na 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 na. You're just so adorable. Wow, yeah, and this is coming out good. Surprised it is. Well, I'm not gonna grab it. What are you doing? Let the camera see you. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. He's so adorable. Whenever it comes to my mom, whenever he sees my mom, it gets crazy. He gets crazy. We're just like, we all laugh at him because how crazy he gets. It's funny. Are you trying to crawl? You can't crawl yet. You can't crawl yet, and you're just smiling. You're just smiling, and you know you can't crawl yet. You're trying to move. Oh gosh. Look at that. Look at that. It's coming out pretty good. I'm surprised. Get off. Yeah. Just gonna add like a little drop of this. Not a. Oh, yep, a little drop, like I said. Whoa. You're just so adorable. What's the matter? And since I added a little bit of that, I'm adding like a little bit of that. See all that I'm gonna add? There you go. Well, it doesn't really matter what kind of shampoo you're using. It doesn't have to be like a Pantene. It could be like a Dove, like that. It doesn't have to be a Pantene. Jedediah, skinamarink-a-dink-a-dink, skinamarink-a-doo. I love you. He's so adorable. Are you gonna start whining because I won't put on Skinamarink? His favorite song is Skinamarink. But yeah, look at that. Look at it. A little bit of shampoo. I'm coming. Hold on. Stop rolling. Could you stop rolling for a second? Why do you want to be like that if you want to... Hey! Hold on, you guys. I'll be right back. Hi. 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 You just love me so much. I want to squeeze you. You can't go there. You can't go to the camera. No, you can't eat them. You can't eat them. He will always try to grab the phone. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave the notification on. Bye.